1, 2, 3, go! Oh, ate, careful. Okay, okay. Down, down, ah. There's an enemy there. There's an enemy. Try to shoot that guy, oh, on the left side, oh. On the pallet. You can if you want. Santi, are you okay? This pallet, kuya, you guard this pallet. This one, this pallet. Ah, Nicolo, come. Go down. Where's Santi? Jo, kita mo dyan, Jo? Who's that? Who's that? I'll advance here, okay? Tala, cover. Right side. 1, 2, 3, go. Meron? Okay. Ah, okay. Kay Miggy, meron sa 12 o'clock ni Miggy. Okay? Are you hit? Are you hit?
I don't think so. Just bump into
Where's the shot coming from?
the middle.
Middle. We look for it.
It's one of the one then
It's okay.
that ricochet.
No, yeah, that's a ricochet. That's not a hit. May nakalubog sa gitna eh. At saka sa kanan sa likod ng rooster na paleta. Copy. What's that? Pwede, pero kailangan ko ng cover. Dito sa may rooster na, yung sa likod ng rooster na paleta. Dalawa sila. Down. Down, Santi, down. Santi, down. Alon. Go. Okay, go back. You have 2 more lights. Tinamaan ako. Advance ako konti. Wasa. Naka-Miguel sa kanan. Pero meron din nakalubog dito sa may gitna. Advance ako kaliwa. Mix, kita mo yung kalaban dyan sa may gitna. Next, may kalaban ba dito sa kaliwa? Next, kaya mo ako i-cover? Takboyin ko na yung flag. Sige. 2, 3, go! Dito, Nick, dito kalaban ah. 3, go! Out! Game over! Muntik pa ako madapa eh.
Grabe, tatlo nakatutok sa akin. Okay lang.
Wala. Ganyan yung takbo ko. Pababa pala yun.
May bata dito kanina.
Ang galing ng batang tumago.
Ay, okay.